Anyway, if you have a no start in your vehicle, I have a 92 Nissan Pathfinder, and no, mind you, it's a good truck. It's a good running truck, but it just didn't want to start. No power. Took it out to the store, and it would not start. I did recognize that it had the wires. You jingled them, it was kind of shorting a little bit. But anyway, if you have this problem right here. Oh, I'll show you exactly what part to replace. So please stand by. And this is the old part. The old part replaced the new. So simple fix. You get stranded and get no power, this is it. This is the one. $30. Well, there you go. If you have a no start situation on your 92 Pathfinder, 1992 Pathfinder, this is the problem. All you have to do is replace this. Absolutely, you had no power, no start. $30 part. Goes to here and goes to here. And it's a fix. It's a fix. That is a no start. You turn on the key, there's nothing going on, and that's pretty much it. You tried everything, checking everything, and you replace that part. That's it. This thing, you can tell, it's been sitting a while. It's dusty, but I got to clean it all up. It's a good running vehicle. I take it off-road and stuff all the time. 1992 Pathfinder. So, there you go. Replace the part. I bought this on eBay. eBay for about 30 bucks. And it was a fix. So, if you like the video, like and subscribe, make comment, share. We here at Jungle Go say, be no do, be it, know it, get out and do it. Out.